Put this in. Stir. Activator. This slime actually works. It's slime. Actually, it works. Yes, it works. Now I see. Thumbs up. It works. It works. It's back again. It works. Break time. So surprisingly, it worked. So if you want to see more videos like these, comment down below. Bye. Subscribe for more.